Come on, Pepper daughter. You coming to daddy? Just gonna sit there and look up at the tree and look for lizards and birds? You coming to daddy? It's Pepper daughter. Just hanging out. Yep, she's looking up in the tree. She's looking for stuff up there. Birds and lizards and whatever else there may be. Okay, Pepper, you gonna come? She's not ready to come inside yet. She usually comes in around mid-afternoon for her lunch. Pepper, what are you looking at? There she is. Pepper Jack daughter. Just relaxing outside. Okay, aloha and mahalo. Please to remember to like the Pepper Jack cats. Pepper Jack daughter, looking up in the tree for things to catch. Meowing. Aloha.